Fit and assemble pipes and valves.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking into the process of fitter practical sessions to fit and assemble pipes, valves.
Topics: how to fit the elbow with GI pipe. Fit the union with GI pipe. Fit valves with GI pipe. Assemble pipe with standard fittings. Tools and equipment required. Identify the tools and equipment used in fitter section. Record the names of tools, do's and don'ts of each tool. Record the names of the industries where the fitters are employed. Tools and equipment required. Cotton thread. Pipe vise. Sealing compound. Internal thread die. Pipe wrench. Safety precautions in fitting. Demonstration activities. Shop talk with safety. Safety attitude development of the trainee by educating them to use personal protective equipment. Identify personal protective devices. Interpret the different types of personal protective devices. Eye protection. Safety glasses. Foot protection. Safety shoes. Dust and fumes. Respirators. Hands safety. Gloves. Head safety. Helmet. Hearing protection. Earplugs. Clothing. Safety jacket. Prevent from falling. Safety harness. Assembling of pipes and valves. Join pipe number 2 with the 4-way cross. Fit pipe number 3 with the cross. Join plain coupling to the other end of the pipe number 3. Assemble GI bend to the plain coupling. Fit the ribbed coupling to the other end of the bend. Join pipe number 4 to the ribbed coupling. Fit T with pipe number 4. Join pipe number 5 to the opposite end of T. Assemble elbow with pipe number 5. Fit pipe number 6 with the other end of the elbow. Join T with pipe number 6. Fit pipe number 1 with the opposite end of T. Join pipe numbers 1 and 2 with union. Fit 150 mm barrel nipple to the left side of the cross and put cap for it. Put another 100 mm barrel nipple to the right side of the cross. Join the reducer to the barrel nipple. Assemble the bidcock to the other end of the reducer. Fit 100 mm barrel nipple to bottom T. Assemble the globe valve to the nipple. Put the hexagonal nipple to the left side T. Assemble the gate valve to the nipple. Assembling of pipes and valves. Hold the pipe in a pipe vise. Wind the hemp packing cotton thread material on the external threads of the pipe. Apply sealing compound over the pipe threads. Fit the 4-way cross to the pipe and tighten it using a pipe wrench. Join the plain coupling to the other end of the pipe. Fit the GI bend to the plain coupling. Assemble the ribbed coupling to the other end of the GI bend. Connect the pipe to the nibbed coupling. Fit T with the pipe. Connect the pipe to the opposite end of T. Assemble the elbow with the pipe. Fit the pipe with the other end of the elbow. Connect T with the pipe. Fit the bent pipe with the opposite end of T. Set to bent pipes with the union. Hold one side of the union in one pipe wrench and the ring of the union in the other. Turn the two pipe wrenches gently in opposite directions. Fit a 150 mm barrel nipple to the left side of the cross. Connect the reducer to the barrel nipple. Join another 150 mm barrel nipple to the right side of the cross and put a cap for it. Assemble a bidcock to the other end of the reducer. Tools and equipment required. Safety precautions in fitting.
Now we have learned to fit the elbow with the GI pipe, fit the unions with the GI pipe, fit valves with the GI pipe, assemble pipe with standard fittings. Hope you had a clear understanding on this technical process. Thank you.